Here's how to fix Instagram music not showing all of the songs. Now let's open up the Instagram app here. You can see I'm on an iPhone, but you can do the same steps if you're on an Android as well. Let's tap on your story at the top left, that little blue icon. And let's say we're going to take a quick photo or a video for our story. From here, we can add music just by tapping on the music icon at the top right. And you should be able to search for various famous artists. On here, let's say you wanted to add something from Drake. You should be able to search for it and see a bunch of Drake songs or whatever artist you want. If you don't see an artist in here, there are potentially two different reasons for that. And you need to, unfortunately, get out of here. So let's discard this, or you can save it as a draft and get out of the story. We need to get to your settings to change these. So tap on the profile picture at the bottom right, and then tap on the three lines at the top right. From here, you'll be able to see Account Center at the very top. Just tap on the Account Center, and you can see Sharing Across Profiles, the second option. Let's choose that option. Now, this is sharing from Instagram, so let's choose that. If you see on here, automatically share your Instagram story or post to Facebook, you need to make sure to turn this off because potentially Instagram has copyright ownership or there are copyright issues sharing from Instagram that specific song to Facebook, so just turn this off. The next thing that we will do is we'll go back out of here to your just general settings. And we need to scroll down until under For Professionals, you find Business Tools and Controls and tap on that. Now, from here, all we need to do is hit Switch Account Type and switch to a personal account. By doing this, this will open up the available, basically songs that you can use that are available and that Instagram has agreements to be able to use on your account. So switch back to a personal account and try it again. Keep in mind, not every song is available on Instagram because they haven't gotten the copyright approval or permission from that specific copyright owner. So even by doing this, not every single song in the entire world will be available.